Welcome to the evening commodity market update. Let's begin with gold. Gold prices edged lower on Tuesday as the US dollar strengthened to near one-month highs, while investors stayed cautious ahead of the Federal Reserve's policy decision and Chair Kevin Warsh's comments for further direction on interest rates. On the domestic front, MCX Gold opened lower and continues to trade with a negative bias. A break below 141,500 could accelerate selling towards 140,000 and 139,300 during the day, while 143,000 remains the key resistance level. Moving to copper. Copper futures slipped below $6.3 per pound, giving up the previous session's gains as traders awaited the Federal Reserve's policy announcement. Markets continue to price in more than a one-third probability of an interest rate hike, keeping sentiment cautious. In MCX, copper failed to sustain Monday's recovery and is witnessing fresh short build-up. A decline below 1,322 could push prices towards 1,310 and 1,303 intraday, while 1,345 is likely to act as strong resistance. Finally, crude oil. WTI crude oil prices fell around 2% as investors continued to assess the pause in US strikes on Iran, raising hopes of a diplomatic resolution and the normalization of Middle East energy supplies. MCX crude oil has now extended its losing streak to a third consecutive session, with prices down nearly 15% over the last 3 trading days. The overall trend remains bearish, and a break below 7,650 could trigger further weakness towards 7,500 and 7,440, while 8,000 remains the key resistance level. That's your commodity wrap for today. Have a great trading day ahead. Investments in the securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.